text variable, as you may assume, is for variables that will change. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Tkinter calculator. So we are continuously spending a lot of time because there are a lot of arguments with our TTK entry bar. So we just touched on justify, how to control where the cursor is. Now we need to learn about how to track the information inside, place it in there. So we know about text. We know about the text argument, like for labels. Now I want you to think about this. So let's bring this back. So right now we have this as if we type it, which is great, but the whole point of this is learn how to use the buttons. So right now we'll deal with the functions next, but this is a very important variable, and we're going to set this to text. So let's go through this for a minute. So text is to hardwire. Text variable, as you may assume, is for variables that will change. So next video we will be learning how to handle and actually change with the operation of pressing the buttons with the mouse. But this is, I remember when I was looking at this, that this threw me for a loop. I could not get it, had to dig into the documentation. But that is why this is here. This is why we do micro videos. So you don't have to bang your head against the wall like I did. My goal is to save you guys the pain that I had. So this is why this is so important. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because I don't want you missing out on anything. I want to save you as much pain as possible. So we will continue with this, but this is how you handle any information that is going to be changing throughout. So in your GUI, if you're going to change anything, text variable is the way that you do that. So there we are. Okay, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And this is, I want to tell you guys thank you again. I'm just absolutely blown away. Yesterday had another record-setting day, so very humbled, super excited in the direction things are going. Probably going to have an announcement pretty soon, but we're just closing out the week here, and we're very, very close to being done with this. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.